everyone. Today I would like to teach you about the name of the fruits in English. Okay, so you will know each fruit's name in English. Let's start with me. This is apple. Apple. This is banana. Banana. This is avocado. Avocado. Orange. Orange. Mango. Mango. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. Watermelon. Watermelon. Papaya. Papaya. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Durian. Durian. Pineapple. Pineapple. Coconut. Coconut. Strawberry. Strawberry. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Grapes. Grapes. Palm fruit. Palm fruit. Guava. Guava. Star fruit. Star fruit. Rambutan. Rambutan. Blueberry. Blueberry. Pear. Pear. Pomelo. Pomelo. Wood apple. Wood apple. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video. Thanks. Bye bye.